We are in Erawan Waterfall National Park today to go ahead and check out 7 different waterfalls, and these are the ones that we're going to see. There's 7 different tiers of falls that we're going to see, so hopefully the water is as clear as it was in Bali, but we'll go ahead and we'll take them one at a time. And it cost us what, 630 Thai baht to get into
which is $20.
the park. We haven't done much hiking or walking since we left Bali, so I'm 10 minutes into it and I'm already sucking wind. Who knows? I think this must be the first one. Wow, that's gorgeous. All right, so far the paths are clearly marked out. So we're at number 1. Now we're off to number 2. Oh wow, that's cool. All right, so here is the 3rd level. Wow, that's beautiful. You know, the paths out here are really nice for the majority of it. You're going to hit a few spots that obviously where the concrete is and there's tree roots to busting up some of the concrete, but for the most part, it's a really easy walk to get up here. Here is level number 4. Oh, look out, the fish are coming. A shark. All right, so the sign down at, excuse me, at level 4, where you're gonna go from 5 to 7, it's gonna take you about an hour round trip. So be prepared for that. 1 through 4, pretty easy. I mean, those steps that we just did, a little bit of an incline, but not that bad. So let's go ahead and see what levels 5 through 7 have to offer. Well, at least the steps aren't as high, right?
Right.
They're like 8-10 inches and not like 18 inches.
No, they're not as...
All right, now we made it to number 5. Here we go. Okay, now we're entering where number 6 level is. All right, so now we're entering or heading up to the 7th level. Now, earlier, I may have spoke a little too soon when it comes to the difficulty level of the path. There are definitely some areas that will be challenging if you have any mobility issues. Also, you know, if it's summertime and it's humid, you know, bring plenty of water, man. I'll tell you, you're gonna really need it as you hike through here. But this place is amazing. It's at Bali level right now, I think. We've made it to level 7. What an epic day it was, man. If you are here in Kanchanaburi, you've got to come to Erawan National Park to see these epic waterfalls. All right, so we are conquerors. Wow, look at that. So I hope you enjoyed that epic waterfall adventure here at Erawan National Park. This is so much better than I even had expected. So subscribe to our channel, and as always, keep dreaming, travel safe, and always check out some great waterfalls.